Dipped in chocolate vlogs are fire. Dipped in chocolate vlogs eat. Dipped in chocolate vlogs are the best. Period.
Follow Dipped in Chocolate on her socials.
Hey my chocolate babies, welcome back to another YouTube video with your girl Dipped in Chocolate. So, I don't see the title down below, so y'all know what's up, right? So this is the preparation vlog for my 20th birthday. So y'all know the vibe. So y'all be seeing me prepare for my birthday. Yeah, that's my auntie. Y'all be seeing me prepare for my birthday, get ready, start up the vibe, start up the night, start up everything. So right now, it's just a vibe over here, bro. I'm getting ready to go somewhere, but y'all be seeing me do my nail appointment, my hair appointment, my makeup, get my packages, me going to different events before my birthday, and then you know gonna be a part one and a part two, right? You know something I'm gonna eat, right? So I want y'all to just continue watching, continue liking, share, because I don't want to alone see the beauty of the two chocolate and the excitement over here, right? So y'all should share. Don't be stingy now. I know y'all selfish with me, but don't be stingy. But anyways, continue watching, guys, because you know it's a vibe over here. But okay, guys, so it's like 8 more days until my birthday, and I'm at a villa with my family members. They're not gonna be here for my birthday, so we're kind of celebrating it before with them, and plus celebrating on the day and after the day and every day, period. But right now I'm going to the pool to just chillax a little. Also, I'm just gonna vibe by myself. I have my iPad here, maybe watch some movies, get some schoolwork done, and just vibe by the pool. I have my wine. I'm just gonna be sipping and minding my business. So yeah. Alright guys, so I'm outside near the pool. Rain is doing, so I'm under the shade. I'm just going to finish some of my schoolwork. I have like too many schoolwork to get done, and it's just making me crazy. Also, I have exams week after next, so I have to be studying. But it's college life, I'm gonna take this up on myself, so I'm gonna have to do what I have to do. Guys, stay in school. Barb, stay in school. This one is so good. I don't know the name of the one, but it's so good. It's really good. But I'm just gonna watch a Netflix movie first, and then I start with the schoolwork though. That's okay. That's fair enough, right? I think that's fair enough. A vibe.
The cards. Take this. Yeah. Yes. It's safe in the back. What? The safe in the back. The safe. The safe back there. What's in the safe?
So we take your phone into the water?
Yeah, it's waterproof. I told you already. Our phone is waterproof.
This one we can carry all of us because that's crazy. I'm gonna go pay gas on Seriously?
So yes guys, this is a mini tour of the room that I was staying in. So as we enter the room, we have our closet on the right side, so it's a good sized closet. And then we have this little storeroom here that has this dresser looking thingy. So I think this is a queen size bed, and we have our side table, AC,
We have this little study table right there, and the mat is very colorful and beautiful. That really brings out the room. And in here we have the bathroom. I had my stuff in it. Yeah, it was really pretty. So guys, after this I'll be going out to a party, so get ready with me. So yeah, I got ready. I had on a lace wig, but guys, I was feeling more of a natural vibe. So I pull out my hair and I just let it loose. Put on the glasses. I have on a bra top, a bell foot pants, and I accessorize it with silver jewelry. And I have on my sneakers. I don't remember the brand of my sneakers. I need to look into it. But yeah, we're going to a party to see Kraff and Skeng perform. Period.
What the vibes are? Alright then. The sex guys are here. Hold on, Adam. Alright then. Here people fly in from Canada. The vibes nice in Jamaica. Ready? Come. 3, 6. You never know, sir. The vibes nice. Press gas. Press gas. Batman friend them there.
Bed from that better. Help for people with them bed from that.
You don't believe in myself, brother.
Bed from that seat. Now they must send me mark for it.
England rain. In a me room she a sing pound rain.
Do I see this?
Money from my brain.
I'm doing shows again. OTG, I'm on the go again. Your girl make me wanna go again. Baby girl, I am not afraid. But from you have the good things, please send. If you say you wanna ride away, you fan. Yo, ready? Yo, sing this, ready? Oh, nah. Back on the road like what's quarantine. Go through red and yellow stoplights to get this green. Grew tough, but I got manners, I was never mean. Omicron trying to get us, but I'm Mr. Clean. Burger Mr. Clean, but not the ball head. Got them see the single braids, then they just fall dead.
If nobody in this world is perfect, not one single soul, but one thing they have to come and do is show y'all that I know how to break it down. So check it, look, pull with it on go. Big strap, that's a fofo. Look, that's a loco, just did the dash from the popo. And I know that they watching me. I don't know what they want from me. See that, Macho?
Me have a question. Yeah. When the man them in here so tonight, we can swear say them still have them virginity in a them batty bossa blanc. Jesus, boss and echo blood clan wall, but I leave them. Underrated, but my verse is saturated.
Skilly bang.
Watch out now. What? From me to juggle with the killing them alone, but that me I tell you one of up the strength them dead. Granny, me a go be dead. 1 3 simple as so we go be them. They look the boy a fly like
Alright, we are going to clean it up. Alright, listen me the man. Yo, what me say? Big Bob, push it up the head. Sit in my head. Sit in my head. Big Bob, sit in Mono! Chat! Mono! Chat! Call the DJ! No! Let me carry the microphone, but the DJ. No! You wanna get pussy rampant, yeah, yeah. Shut up and now, dog and a wrist man. Spend a week and sing a ball of kickstand. Songs and guitar, no friction. Bring back to one, put him in a 3K. Mass up in a Nissan. 3K, fully chip up in a.
Remember you said we make the whole world see it. Right? One Buddha chat. Roto.
Where you go? Doggy Billy. Doggy no. 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 If you buy a one, it's a do so. High and drop. Hold, quiet now. Giant, silence up. Give me fire zone. Giant now, give me the CD. Little memories with them. Stay in the dark, you can't toast it. Stay when it's dark, you can't toast it. Blue face in my pocket when I use baby. Final hit song about few minutes. You don't have any house.
Chick like that. I think I want my blood clot, Gucci and them. Just eat on too much. And that's a
you know, see me now, my pride dog. It's some bubble couple million. 11 stories in them, I'm gonna eat some more. So I want to be the sky, I'm going to turn viral. And a lot of me senseless fun. I'm just me, I'm going to see, come here, let's up. Swaggy. Who are them? Stop it, never. Gimmicks. Pull up to the front, stop it, and say she want me hot. Say she want me beef, and I take her home and let me come and she's talking now. So that she a come in the front, and say she never meet me. Say the artist like a man, fix a dollar for your problem, you know, see me now. I watch a shell and get up, I press my phone and tap her. I call me Makhalia, I better ring another million. I say getting on, just vacant, nobody don't live ya. Say she love the sinner, yeah she stuck up in her, anything she's in her. Woman con big murderer in a singer. Never let me talk to them. Singer, what a style are you? Hey mama, come and see you. See now have a lesson for you. Let me teach you the game, put you on a level. Give me tree what you feel, that's inevitable. Say she want my last name, all up there so. Now the singer can't hear more your confidence so. Your chest are full of enough pain, just left it there so. Your psychopathic love is great, now what's that? Turn it up, who do sing to me? I'm gonna get that for your eye and steady. What's with the mind in the car? Keep on honey and potato and garlic. Two pound your rice, 2 pound your surface. Some other coming. Hold on there. Listen to I feel. Hold on there. Get 2 ice creams in the car. Are you ready?
Wanna feel say done?
No!
Say done?
Yeah!
Say done? Next one. Madam, hey. Pop like
Hey guys, welcome back.
It's not, that's not where you're that's not very nice. I don't want to do this.
And today is 7 more days until my birthday. So I'm super duper excited. Kind of nervous because let me tell you, one of my packages have not arrived as yet, and that's just ridiculous. But let's see how it turns out. We're going rafting or beach or whatever. But let's see how it turns out. This is so nice because I'm actually enjoying my time before my birthday. So that's really good. And it gives a good vibe that my birthday might turn out super duper good. So let's go. We are at TST's getting some party. So let's see how it goes. This is my OOTD, my slippers. I'm in the Tasty's bathroom, so don't judge me. My hairstyle, oh my god, my hair looks just guys, so we are here. We're about to go on the raft. So we're going to have a I didn't say 10, okay? I think I pay him. I'm gonna pay it. A 5-minute tour or so, and see what.
Wait, so where's the alcohol focus here? Where's the drink?
They that be I say. We never get no. Oh.
So around this side you got the board card. Go.
Here's some drink right here.
Sure. Recording now. Hello, recording. Let me see the pictures.
Yeah, this is my.
This is workout. I took a bill of this.
Hey guys. So if you ladies want to get the
You want these shoes as well?
Yeah, look on the ground.
You can flick?
You wanna take a single bed, we share the same room bed.
But just it's this love, it's this love, it's this love, it's this love that I'm feeling. The biggest hits are yet to come. It's your shot in full effect on Live 2024. Of the dreadlock Rasta, Buffalo soldier, and he was taken from Africa, brought to America. Fighting an arrival, Buffalo soldier in the heart of America. If you know your history, then you would know where you're coming from. Then you wouldn't have to ask me. Who's
This is how you juggle in Jamaica. This is how you juggle in Jamaica.
This massage good for moving, you know.
You say you give me a treat today?
Slow blood circulation.
One stop and drop out in the water. Oh yeah, them naked over there for real. Only the white folks.
Yeah, that's the new people. I have a new people. Only for the white.
Coming in, look here. Oh.
So guys, we ended up going to Margaritaville in Ocherius. Because after we finished rafting, we wanted to do something else. So we went to Margaritaville. So just continue watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Because, you know, it is a banger over here.
Remember your suitcase? Oh, see, over here, some mama. Bye-bye.
How about you, you know?
Hello. Oh, this, oh my God. I really want to do this. Yeah. Oh, so they're missing, right?
I told you guys, get out the water. Lightning, get out the water. Yes.
Too much wonder if it's a light, but I'm floating, yeah?
Come this way, shorter.
One thing going lightning and strike, you know?
You gotta get out the water when it's lightning. Punky, get out the water. Come this way. Shorter. Wait, somebody. Wait a minute. No, Nicholas. Nice, Makhalia. Come on now, you're good. You have a life vest on, you're fine. She gonna help you. What's she coming to that thing? Makhalia, this way. Can you go help her, please? What's she name? What's her?
Oh, who's that?
Oh, it's not that. Can you help her? Where's she at? Come on. Dog the shadow, like I said. Dog the shadow. No, don't go this way. Go this way. She's struggling. Go this way. No, she's shorter this way. It's shorter this way. She's gonna make it either way.
Wait, what?
No, this is not real. This is not real. This is not. Get out the water. Look at your life vest coming off. Look, sticking up a life vest.
I'm videoing everything.
Okay, you just swim over here like. You gotta run. Oh my God. You're so funny, birthday girl. You're so funny. Happy 20. You're so funny. Happy 20th birthday. You enjoy yourself, baby. Go ahead, baby girl. Don't give me. Yeah. What? Be careful of the rock. I told you go that way.
Oh, what's up, my girl?
I swear to God.
Stay there. So I said, hey yo. Say this at that, I say lightning. I say lightning.
Lightning is strike a dead lion, right?
Yeah, but it didn't start to waste time. Yeah, come on. Yeah, come on.
I'm videoing y'all. Funny. Owen, can you swim?
Guys, so I did not vlog when I left from Ultra's yesterday, but today's a new day and I'm back at school. So guys, I'll be showing you a day in the life of a Karamak student. So right now I'm in the radio station and I'm about to show you how I get down to business. So I hope you guys don't make me nervous though. Mic check. Mic check. So I'll be doing a PSA news reports and I hope I slayed though. Mic check. So I'll be waiting on my teacher's direction. So guys, it's like 6 days until my birthday and it's just crazy. My hair, I'm gonna get my hair washed. I'm gonna get my nails done this Friday and my toes, and it's just gonna be so crazy. So continue watching. Concerned about uncollected garbage at home? Do you see garbage piling up on the streets? then report it. Use the National Solid Waste Management Authority's app to report incidents of littering, illegal dumping, and uncollected garbage. From anywhere and at any time, be an environment warden by informing the authority of unsightly solid waste. You will be informed when your report has been received by the NSWMA, as well as when the matter is resolved. Download the app from the iOS or Android Play Store by typing in NSWMA. Play your part, as Jamaica's beauty is everybody's duty. Signing out. Eh? What the first one? The second one is like we get better. Do you see garbage piling up on the streets? Then report it. Use the National Solid Waste Management Authority's mobile app to report instances of littering, illegal dumping, and uncollected garbage. From anywhere and at any time, with an environment warning by informing the authority of unsightly solid waste. You will be informed when your report is being received by the NSWMA, as well as when the matter is resolved.
Yeah, I did not
download the app from the iOS or Android.
Unsightly.
Unsightly.
Yeah, unsightly.
A Jamaica's beauty is everybody's duty.
That's the first one.
Yeah.
Concerned about uncollected garbage at home? Do you see garbage piling up on the streets? Then report it. Use the National Solid Waste Management Authority's mobile app to report instances of littering, illegal dumping, and uncollected garbage. From anywhere and at any time, be an environment warden by informing the authority of unsightly solid waste. You will be notified when your report has been received by the NSWMA, as well as when the matter is resolved. Download the app from the iOS or Android Play Store by typing in NSWMA. Play your part, as Jamaica's beauty is everybody's duty.
Which one you like?
The last one.
The first one she said.
Then report it. Like, sure, like an ad. Guys, so this is the other day, as we see, and I'm heading to Bridgets to pick up my slippers. So I just hope them have my size and the color of I want, because I checked their website and let me tell you, I don't see the one that I want. So I just hope that they have it today. So let's go.
So guys, if you know that we can't video or take picture in there, so this is me doing a little boomerang outside, and then me and my friend we're gonna go to Offertree to pick up packages.
So guys, now we're going to Quick Ship to get our packages. Right? Woo! Package time! Yeah. So the dad have 2 packages arrive and several coming. We live the modest life in a way we have so much packages coming. We may couldn't know we limit. No. I come here a little bit too often. Freaking shopper. I have like a one almost $2,000 worth. So we're here in the place. At this point, I think Quick Ship should sponsor me. I've been here too often, so you guys can call them. This is upside down, so it's a riddle. For real. I'm gonna talk. So guys, I'm back home. The traffic was a mess. So now I'm trying on my Bridgets. Guys, I added a new slippers to my collection. I have the BT and I bought the K just now. Well, I was gifted the K. Don't play with it. So I was gifted the K. Also, it looks so nice on my foot. I bought a 9. My foot is 9, size 9, and I bought a 9. But my foot was, the Bridgets was hanging, so it had a little gap at the end of my foot when I was in the store. But when I come out and I try it on now, it's fitting me. So I don't know what's, like, suppose I took a 8.5, my foot will be hanging off. But anyways, I want to show you guys. Yeah, my angle that. Also, I'm going to try on my stuff that I got
from Shein and Fashion Over, which are my outfits for my birthday dinner. And I also have some stuff to try on for my birthday, but it don't come yet, so it's Saturday that I'm gonna show you guys that. Friday I'm gonna get my nails done. On Monday, which is my birthday, I'm gonna get my hair and my makeup done. I'm going to go early because I don't want my friends to be waiting on me for too long. I don't want the entirety of my birthday be spent on me doing my makeup and my hair, so I'm going to go really early and just try to stay inside. Yeah, I didn't want to get my makeup and my hair done on my birthday, you know. I didn't want the two of them get done on my birthday because I know say the makeup artist are gonna take long. My hair and my makeup are gonna take about 4 hours. I could do so much. You understand me I say? But because I can't do my own makeup and I can't do my own hair so perfect that like how me want it, I just gonna have to just deal with that. I'm celebrating my birthday all weekend, so I have time. It's just that the day, which is the 16th of October, I wanted to, you know, do something in the day, do something in the evening, do something in the night, because that's my day. That's my specific day. Even though all of the month is my day, but you know, I don't understand. But let me try on my dress. I'm not going to show you guys now. Is when time, such time I can show no, but I'm going to try it on now. So continue watching. So tomorrow is Thursday. I'm going to school. I might go to my cousins, and then Friday I'll be going to VR World. I hope that works out and I get to go and you guys get to see. So yeah, continue watching because it's so much. I'm so excited, guys. Y'all need to watch my birthday vlog from last year. Yeah, because I have a time of my life every time.
Yes, guys, so this is how it looks on my foot. Looks really nice. The color is neutral and pretty.
So guys, made it for sure when me I get ready, but I was rushing, so I never get for sure now. But guys, this is the OOTD. I changed about 2 times. I had on Adidas uppers sneakers, but I didn't feel like it complemented the cargo pants, so I'm now in my low cut Air Jordans, and I did my hair by myself. I accessorized with my silver jewelry, seeing that the pants is gray. Gold would really look good with it. Accessorize it with my side bag from Dipped in Chocolates merch and my black top. So I'm going to go get some credit and get some cash and go ahead and go about my business. So guys, I supposedly to go to VR World, so let's see how that works out today.
Dipped in Chocolate's 20th birthday celebration is to be continued on the next episode. See you next time.